a miracle for not only for Tiprasa, for all entire Northeast as well as all over India. There is a good message because the party with whom we are fighting with, there is what is it? The biggest वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा पार्टी को हम लोग छोटा सा पार्टी हरा दिया, टीएमपी महाराजा का पार्टी हरा दिया, वही हम लोगों का जी है. Because our people they knew that whatever they are having this one rights, being an Indian or being a human being, we were ignored and we were depressed and suppressed by some other big party which is called BJP. BJP now in all over, not only India, all over world, they were damaged by they were defeated by isolated by the Chota party TMP, Tipra Motha party, which is ruled by founder is our Maharaja, great Maharaja, Sri Sri Pradip Kishore Manikya Bahadur. Yes, I'm really thankful to our Maharaja, and we are going to give the message to all over India as well as the Northeast people. Yes, unity can do one thing, which is great, unexpected miracle to the people. We can show the power of unity. That is what we are winning today. Not only Tiprasa, all people of Tripura. We are winning. That is the great message to our people. Please to maintain and enjoy. Okay, enjoy. Of course, victory can be enjoyable, but the thing is that it should not harm to some other person who is winning. Because in politics, we have to know that games, one side will win, the other side will defeat. But still, then peace and harmony should be maintained in our entire area, especially in Tripura as well as in ADC area. That's what we, being a mother, being a TWF leaders, we urge all our people and the leaders, violence should not be encouraged in our people. Because Kubagra doesn't like violence. That's all. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I have spoken with